The only women men listen to has finally spoken. Budget 2026 is out. Our finance minister has just announced the budget 2026 and affordable housing is getting a big boost. Did you know affordable housing funding is just increased by 250% and infrastructure capex has reached the record high 12.2 lakh crore. That means more infrastructure coming in India. So let's break it down. Affordable housing is exploding. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana's funding has just been increased by 148% in compared to the last year's budget. And this Yojana in Gram and Rural has increased by 69% in comparison to last year. Credit-linked subsidiary scheme in India is also lowered the EMIs, so home ownership in India is easier than ever. Public cap expenditure has hit the record high of 12.2 lakh crore, up by 11% compared to the last financial year. More roads, more bridges, more metros, more transit-oriented development, higher residential, commercial and industrial real estate demand, new infrastructure risk guarantee funds. It shares the construction risk with the lender. Before, the projects used to be stalled, but now there will be faster execution, more confidence from the investors, and finally more projects getting completed. REITs now get dedicated channels for CPSE, Central Public Sector Enterprises. Assets are monetized. Old projects get liquid, developers get funds. So more homes, more offices and more industries coming up. Growth is no longer just in the metros, but also in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, finally. Thanks to the rail network and the waterways, where affordable housing plus new infrastructure is definitely going to be the new real estate hotspot. So Budget 2026 is all about reviving affordable housing, mitigating construction risks, increasing liquidity and regional growth. So more homes, faster projects and bigger opportunity for the architects and the investors. I'm going to break down the budget and the real estate in India in detail in upcoming videos because this budget is game changing.